I'll be back here in a couple of weeks to make the professional finished product for Sukhumvit Homes. But for now, this is a Global Travel Made joint. A good afternoon. Today I'm here to show you something special. I'm showing you a construction site of a penthouse that's under renovation. So, see you upstairs. I'm here in the Thonglor area. This is a penthouse that is under renovation now, and it should be ready in a couple of weeks, but I'm gonna give you a bit of a preview, and it's a very nice way to see what you can do when you renovate something. So this is a part of the old structure. This is a 3-floor penthouse unit, 664 square meters, and it's been completely renovated on the inside. So there's gonna be a bit of noise because the working crew is doing their work, but obviously that's part of being on a construction site. So here down you have the Thonglor Road. Actually, this building is between Thonglor and Ekamai. So let me just show you around. You have the kitchen area. Yeah, so this will be ready in about 2 or 3 weeks probably. And the rental price, this is for rent, should be around 300,000 baht by then. So I think it's going to be interesting to show you how it looks now. And then I will come back here when it's completely finished. So this one I'm making for Global Travel Made. And then the finished version would be for Sukhumvit Homes. Nice outside area. This would be perfect for a jacuzzi or something. So this unit has 3 floors. So let's go to the second floor. So obviously this is the main area. We have a nice bar here. So here we are on the second floor. There are 2 rooms. Bathroom here. Nice walk-in closet. You know, what is the advantage of having an older building is that you have a lot of little niches and corners that you wouldn't find in any modern design, because most newer apartments, they are completely optimized. If you come with a family in Bangkok and you're looking for big spaces, I would recommend to try and find like these kind of renovated buildings. And this obviously is the penthouse, so it's not always, it doesn't have to be a penthouse. But if you have an older building that's been properly renovated, then you basically have everything new inside, but you will have a lot more space. Now this is what I meant with these little corners. Bathroom. And here there will be a jacuzzi. So then there's one more floor to go. Yeah, here there are 4 bedrooms as well. Yeah, you can see I'm walking with my shoes on, which normally if I film an apartment I would never do, but this is a construction site and I don't want to step into a rusty nail, right? A lot of space, and as you can see, every room has a different style as well. So here we're at the deck with your own jacuzzi, and you have an amazing view from here. You have a great view of the whole Ekamai area. This is, Ekamai in front with the big sea there. Then there, these 3 towers, that's the Park Origin. I've been showing that a bit lately because I was impressed by the constructions. And then here you have the whole city behind you. Okay, so I thought this was an interesting thing to share. I came here to just make some pictures and to give an update to potential renters about the progress. We already have a customer that is interested, but I don't know if they're gonna take it. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding this amazing penthouse that's under construction here. I'll be back here in a couple of weeks to make the professional finished product for Sukhumvit Homes. But for now, this is a Global Travel Mate joint. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to subscribe. You know I will keep you up to date about everything that's going on in Bangkok. And see you guys in my next video.